Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the real estate entrepreneur, Omar Alfaro. And he asked me in video number one, what are my goals? And I said, you know what? I already have them. So we're going to show my goals. And Omar, ask questions, poke at them, tell me where I'm being chicken, all that good stuff. You ready?
Let's go. Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, let me know if you can see that.
Oh, beautiful. Okay. Okay.
All right. So, everybody does New Year's resolution goals and all that nonsense. I don't think there's anything magic about January 1. So, my goals are December 1st to December 31st of next year. So, I'm giving myself 13 months to accomplish all the following. And I'm going to be updating these once a week. You can see I updated them yesterday. So, these are my goals going down. This is my current where I'm at. And then these were the last updates. So, we're going to start to see trends. You ready to go?
Let's do it.
So first, you obviously know you're a part of my YouTube channel. I'm currently sitting at just over 40,000 subs. I want to be at 60,000 by the end of next year.
Easy.
This. You say that, but I'm only averaging 750 a month. So this is a stretch goal. I don't ask for people to subscribe. I create a lot of content. I'm not negative. One of the things that you learn on YouTube is if you want to grow fast, be negative, crash, depression, all of that stuff, which
How
I
about
never do.
ask?
Yeah,
Michael, ask
I need
to
that.
ask for people to subscribe. That's
Yeah,
it.
I need to ask. I also need to have my experts like yourself have you use your social media to say, guys, go subscribe to one rental at a time. I mean, yeah, I need to
Done.
create bigger leverage.
We'll do this after this one.
Okay, I appreciate you. Second, something I've just done as of yesterday is I created a second YouTube channel called ORAT Shorts. ORAT stands for, of course, one rental at a time. I do believe YouTube is going to start to incentivize shorts. So I'm going to create a second channel just for shorts. The beauty of this channel is I will not create any of this content. I will do everything on my main channel. I will pay a content creator to create shorts, and they're going to post 10 videos a day, I think.
Wow.
So we're gonna try to grow that channel to 10,000 next year. Next, I'm going to do something I haven't done for 15 years. I'm going to buy stocks. More specifically, I'm going to be buying dividend paying stocks. I'm going to deploy 50 grand into dividend stocks. That's my goal. I've already deployed 12 grand. I bought JP Morgan and Blackstone. There we go. Next, this is actually something that changed. I did this goals review with another buddy of mine in my market, and he actually had me add this. He and I want to do 2 deals together next year. His name's Jason Pritchard. You may have met him or at least heard of him. So he and I are going to try to do 2 deals together. Next, I'm going to try to do 3 seller financing deals next year. I'm going to try to buy Park Place and Boardwalk. It's over here in the notes. With seller financing. So high-end property, something I've never done before, luxury, but I'm going to find a seller who wants out, and we're going to do a seller finance deal. I'm going to try to do 10 flips. This is actually increased. My first thought was 6. Jason had me push it to 10. I already have 2 deals locked up. One closes today,
Nice.
and one should be listed next week. So I'm going to try to do 10. I'm going to once again borrow private money, something I haven't done for a couple of years. I am going to look to borrow or turn a 1.2 million in private money from my network. I'm going to pay 12%. So I'm going to pay, Jason told me I'd get away with 10. I'm going to pay 12 because I only want to do great deals and I want people to be a part of it. So I'm going to pay 12% just because I can. Next, I have a course that's amazing, which you're a part of, how to get started one rental at a time. I am going to look to add 500 students next year. We've done 6 already. I have a private Facebook group just for my students that has over 1,500. We're going to look to get to 2,000. How this works is for every student that joins, like every 2 student that buys the course, only 1 joins Facebook. I don't know why, but that's the math. So it's not quite a 1-to-1 ratio here. As you know, I've written 2 books. My initial book has 1,104 reviews. I want to get it to 1,500 on Amazon. So if you read my book, go write a review for me.
100%.
My second book, 15 Conversations with Millionaires, only has 42 reviews. I want to get that to 200. I'm going to do 4 in-person events. You were nice enough to come and be a part of my first last year or this year. I thought it was fun. I think we should do 4 next year.
Let's go.
One of those in Vegas. I do these deal cards. I am going to hopefully send out 1,000 of these black cards and then 100 of these golden tickets. These golden tickets, Omar, are for first deals only. So somebody might get like 10 or 12 of these like you have, but you can only ever get one of these.
Oh, that's tight. I like that. I like that a lot, actually.
Yeah. So I'm looking to do that. So again, I will be updating this every week or two, but these are my goals. You asked about them. What do you think? These are everything I'm trying to get done in the next 13 months.
I like it. I like the way it's all, sectioned off as well. Your goal, the current, and then the update. The delta obviously is the difference of what the red's like, where you got to go. That's what you're focusing on.
That's how high the mountain is.
Yeah. And I like that. I like the way the process is. I like that you're putting flips in there, Michael. 10 of them, but what I want to see though, next to 2 deals locked up in parentheses, put on there an average of $35,000 a flip or $50,000 a flip. So now you have something to hit, because I do the same thing and I put on there what I want per transaction, because now you can see that if it's 10 and you're making $40,000 a deal, that's $400K that you're putting to your top line.
I like it. I like it.
And when you write it out there, no, scratch that and put 40. You know why?
Why?
You tell me good and great deal. So get the great deal and you can get it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, and now at 40, that's just right there alone. Like, boom, that's 400K. All right, next. So now, and you're raising your capital of 12%. At the same time, you will get away with 10 easy. Somebody will pay you 10% all day.
Yeah. Or I'm paying them 10%, but yeah. Again, it's this is what I'm doing. Again, YouTube, deals, students, books, cards. I mean, these cards are awesome, right? I get a little jolt of electricity every time I send these out.
And that's, those cards, man, I have so freaking many of them.
Yeah, I know. We need to send you some more.
I don't know if I'm going to be buying like 20 houses next year, but
hey, go get some seller financing deals.
Yeah. Well, I guess a card doesn't mean any. It just means that, hey, you either bought the house, you flipped it, you acquired an asset.
Yeah, I'm an easy grader. If you buy your primary resident, it counts. You build an ADU, it counts. You do a whatever it is. I'm easy. I want to send cards. I want to send goodness. I want to know I'm making. This is how I know I'm making a difference.
That's freaking dope, dude. Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do this. What do you call it? You want to do it after?
Yeah, we do it after. So Omar, real quick, how can people find you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar, and make sure you follow Michael Zuber. One rental at a time. Let's go.
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you.